All right, today we are going to repair this trailer tire. This process is going to work for pretty much all tires. And the only thing you're going to need is a pair of pliers. They can be needle nose, but you want to be able to have the snipping feature right here. And then you're going to need a tire plug kit, which looks like this. It's going to come with your reaming tool, your plug tool, and it's going to come with a set of plugs like this. I'll link all this in the description below. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to remove whatever it was that caused the hole in the tire, which for us is that screw right there. Then you're going to take your ream tool and we are going to clean out the hole as best that we can so that you can get your plug in there. You're going to get your plug. They're very, very sticky. And you're going to put it in here just like you're threading a needle. There we go. About halfway like that. And you stick this in the hole in the tire. Get it through all the way. Once it's in all the way, we're going to pull it out. And you can go ahead, and if there's any left over, go ahead and snip it off. Now that you got the tire plugged, we're going to check it for leaks. You can use a spray bottle with just some dish soap. I just have a cup right here. We're going to put that over top and fill it with air. One final check. That's it. As long as you got no bubbles seeping up, you know you got a good seal in there, tire's back in service.